Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quick stew. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll want about 1 pound of pre-cut stew meat, like beef or lamb, and 2 cups of your favorite quick-cooking vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. Begin by searing your meat in a hot pot for about 5 minutes to get a lovely brown crust. Then, toss in your aromatics, like a chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, and cook for just a couple of minutes until they smell wonderful. To truly make a quick stew, an instant pot or pressure cooker is your best friend. After searing your meat and sautéing your aromatics, add about 4 cups of hot broth and your remaining vegetables to the pot. Seal the lid and cook under high pressure for just 15 to 20 minutes. This method drastically cuts down on traditional stewing times, giving you tender meat and vegetables in a fraction of the time. Allow for a natural pressure release for about 5 minutes before opening. Now, let's talk about building incredible flavor and the perfect texture. After the pressure cooking, stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and a teaspoon of your favorite dried herbs, like thyme or bay leaf, for a deeper taste. To thicken your stew, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with an equal amount of cold water to create a slurry. Stir this into your simmering stew and cook for about 5 minutes until it reaches a lovely, rich consistency. Your delicious, quick stew is now ready to enjoy. Serve it piping hot with some crusty bread to soak up all that wonderful sauce, or alongside a bed of fluffy rice. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a beautiful pop of color and a fresh aroma. For a quick variation, consider stirring in some quick-cooking greens, like spinach or kale, during the last 5 minutes of simmering for added nutrition and flavor. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.